Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J5 from 2016, and let me show you how to activate touch sounds on the following device. So as you can see now, once I'm tapping on any icon, we can hear nothing, it's muted. But if you would like to activate it, just open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration, scroll down a bit, and here you'll notice touch sounds. Just click here to activate them, and now you can hear each tap. And this is it, this is how you can activate it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.